Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to prevent users from changing the language in your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I'll guide you to the resolution. However, we need to understand that when we prevent users from changing a language, we have to fix one language for the system. This can be done using the Registry Editor window. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the Run window. Type the command regedit and hit enter to open the Registry Editor window. Now go to HKey Current User, Software, Policies, Microsoft. Right click on Microsoft, select New Key and name it Control Panel. Hit enter. Right click on the Control Panel key, select New Key and name it Desktop. Hit enter. Now in the right pane, we need to create a certain string value which is with the name multi-UI language ID. Right click in the open space, new string value and name it the same. When you double click on it, it will ask for value data. Keep the value data as the name of the language corresponding to the code mentioned here. All I need to do is copy the code, let's say it's for English, and paste it here. And click on OK. Now English has been set as the language and I cannot change it on the computer. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your queries. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.